Hey YouTubers, got us our frozen treat for our little doggy friends. All we're going to need is some plain non-fat yogurt. You gotta get non-fat so your little doggies don't go poop poop everywhere. This is good for probiotics. And we're going to have one that's got some banana. I went ahead and mashed it up because it looks like baby food. But you know, our dogs are our babies sometimes. And I got some homemade peanut butter so there's no preservatives. We don't want our little doggies having little nasty stuff in their systems. And we're going to have some that's just going to be yogurt and blueberries. To have a little bit of mixture for both. I don't know their preference, so we're going to see what little Bjorne likes. So we're just going to, I'll put some with yogurt on the bottom. I'll make some with just plain yogurt for our little doggy friends. There we go, and these are going to freeze for 2 hours. This one's just going to be yogurt. We're going to just look at different textures and how they freeze. The other ones I'm going to put our bananas. Nice little layer of banana. And some banana. A little bit more. And our peanut butter. I hear a kitty that sounds hungry. I think that's Oscar. Then I'm going to put some yogurt to top it. There we go. Just a little bit of everything for our little doggy friends. I think Bjorne will like it. Bjorne's my sister's dog. Then we're going to put some blueberries. These are frozen. So I'm just going to hand mash a little bit. I feel like blood on my hands. I swear, it's just blueberries. Here's the proof. And I'm going to put some yogurt on top of that. There we go. I'm going to finish filling these out, and then I'm going to stick them in the freezer, and we're going to see in 2 hours how little Bjorne likes them.
Are you excited to eat some treats? Are you excited?
Okay, so I took them out of the freezer, and I went ahead and popped them out to show you. This is what the regular one looked like with just the yogurt. This is the banana and peanut butter one. And this is what the blueberry one looked like. Let's try the banana one for Bjorne. You want to see if you like it? Oh, he likes that. He just likes licking it like a little ice cream cone. How cute. Well, that's a yes. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye.